Hello, Chef here. So one of my apprentices asked me, what do I do with all of those green tomatoes? And I'm going to show you right here. You just wash them very good, take the tops off like this, give them a little slice, lay them down so they're flat, give them a little dice. This one here might be a little bitter, that's okay. They're all going to be good. So once we dice them up like this, rough dice is fine. I'll show you what we're going to do with these green tomatoes. Here we go. Got a large Dutch oven here full of chili. This is 50% beef, 50% pork, 1 large onion diced, 3 cloves of garlic, tablespoon of red paprika, dash of black pepper, dash of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 32-ounce, approximately 32 ounces can of tomatoes. You can use 2 if you like. Anyway, this chili is going to be good. So the tomatoes, using a prep scoop, get them over here into the chili. They all go in, and then you give them a little stir, and that right there is the best way to utilize your green tomatoes. You can mess around, you can fry them, you can jar them, you can play with them any way you want to. Put them in your chili like this, they almost crunch like green pepper. It's pretty cool. This can now be frozen, portioned. Serve it with shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, cilantro, so many things you can do with this. So search right here on the channel, subscribe, search Dutch oven, search chili, search soup, search chicken stock, search bone broth, New York strip steak, roast beef, prime rib. How do I do this? How do I do that? And you're going to find it. Subscribe right here. Use them green tomatoes. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh! It's going to be good. Green tomato right here. Wow! Try it out. Oh yeah, those green tomatoes blend right in. Quite often I put a little bit of cheddar cheese on top. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Update your kitchen. Contact the sponsor for cutting edge blocks as seen on TV. blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Oh yeah, I'm using one of my favorite high heat spatulas. Watch the next video and learn more about this. Dragon fruit. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. The sticky. That's what you want right there. Let's put it back in. Okay, and we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful bean right into this jar and get this extract going. I do want some of the seed specks to come out. That was one of the reasons why I split it. And it's quite simple. Here we go. Hello, Chef here once again, bringing you some more valuable information and some facts with some of the finer things in life. Wow, Madagascar vanilla bean. Look at that fat, sticky, soft, juicy bean. To get the best vanilla beans, just visit the sponsor. Like I said, these are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons. The beans are fully fermented now. They've some of the flavors extracted into the liquor. And this is ready to go. This is going to be really good. It's going to be strong. $10 or $20 for a bottle. It's imitation vanilla. This bottle's worth $40 to $60 because it's the real deal. I'm going to show you how to make it for just a few bucks. Put a large funnel in the bottle. Line up your bottles. Drop your beans in. You open your bottle of awesome rum. Oh yeah, look at that. And you pour some in. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow. Beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well. And yeah, the butcher block. Yeah. I use a clean white towel. Wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,